Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with a new video in which I will explain about the speaker problem in your Vivo Y21T. But first, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. In this video I will explain about how you can solve the speaker problem in your Vivo Y21T. And if your speaker is not working or it is showing any issue, you can solve it by the way as I'm showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand how you can fix your speaker in Vivo Y21T. Let's watch the video.